day here in Middle Tennessee, but we're on the job getting ready to mill some more lumber. Today we're going to be working on walnut and cherry, specifically just those two. We have milling walnut.
Oh yeah, here, take my knife and dig them suckers out. That's a full one right there. Let's see what that is. Let me get off this mill. Yeah, that's a 9mm right there. Look at the size difference. We cut a little bitty walnut log, nothing exceptional, nothing big and wide, but check out just the pad of lumber, and can give you a lot of neat things. Yeah. Really, it's quite purple looking.